Hello, my name is Finch. I am an American Goldfinch. I'm back. Did you miss me? I'm here to watch over the birds. Today, I'm especially watching the American Goldfinch to make sure they all behave. There's so many of them. Here they come. Some people call us canaries or wild canaries. That's because our feathers are so pretty and vibrant, and we are so fun and cheerful and happy. We build our nests in the late summer. That's so that we have lots of food for our babies. Still watching. We are loyal to our partners. That way, we can both feed our babies and protect them from potential predators. That makes sure that our babies live a long time. Goldfinch is the state bird of Iowa, Washington, and New Jersey. However, my friends and I have decided that we like Missouri just fine. We're a handsome group of guys, but wait till next spring when we turn a bright yellow. What a sight to behold. Okay guys, I'll keep watch for a little while, but I want my seeds too. I'm watching out for hawks, snakes, and cats. Woo! Look out! I'm coming in for a landing! It would be nice if I knew when my birthday was. You know, we only live 6 to 9 years. Glad I'm not a female. They don't live as long as we do. That's probably because they give birth twice a year. Yum, yum, yum. These seeds are wonderful for our diet. We like dandelions, sunflowers, and thistles. Thanks for watching our story today.